Dad, I have much to say to you. 爸爸，我有好多话对您说。My dear Dad, do you know today is Father's Day? Father's Day 专有名词，每一个单词的首字母都要大写。Fathers 这是名词，所有格的表现形式。I'm glad that fathers have such a festival, because you work hard all year round. I'm glad that blah blah 这个是一个宾语从句，做了 I'm glad 的宾语。我们除了像动词可以接宾语以外，这样表达情感的，比如说 glad、sorry、pleased 也可以接宾语。All year round 是整年的意思。I have much to say to you. Say to somebody 表示对某人说。Dad, you're selfless. You always leave good things to us. We should share these good things with you. Should 应当表建议的，后面加动词原形。Dad, you're diligent. You keep on working all day to make a living. Keep on doing 表示持续做，不停地做某件事情。Make a living 谋生。I hope you can live a happy and comfortable life in the future. In the future 在未来。Dad, I want to tell you, I love you forever. 喜欢这篇文章，记得收藏、点亮爱心、关注小安老师。